just issued one, Sterling, and now you issue another one.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Fauquier and Prince William. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for small streams in southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, south central Prince William County in northern Virginia until 10:30 a.m. Friday. At 4:21 a.m., river gauges indicated minor flooding was occurring on Cedar Run near Ayden. Roads near Cedar Run may be flooded. Some locations that may experience flooding include Bristersburg. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.